Hey guys, here's the second Hunter low profile ceiling fan. This one does have some rust issues, and this one has some slight bearing noise, but oddly enough, this one does not hum at all. Yeah, so I installed this one with the oak side of the blades facing down. So we'll give this one a try. It's low. Go up to medium speed. This one is from the third week of 2005, so this one and the other one that I have are a little bit older than the first one I just filmed. High. Pull chain is also pretty corroded on this one. And there's a slight wobble. For some reason it seems like these blades are a little bit faded, but I'm not totally sure. There's the logo. And that's about it for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.